Hey everyone, Chris with EMI Audio here. Today we're going to look at the all-new CQ family of digital mixers from Allen and Heath. There's the CQ-12T, CQ-18T, and CQ-20B, and that's the one we're going to look at today. So unbox it with us and let's take a look at it. All right. A little overview sheet here for the mixer. Okay, we've got the CQ-20B in the box and power cable. All right, wow, yeah, there it is, CQ-20B from Allen and Heath. So a couple of the things I'm noticing right away. We've got our built-in antenna for the Wi-Fi control and network. We've got the 16 inputs, half of which are combo jacks, the other standard XLR. We've got our XLR main outs there. We've got our SD input slot for recording. We've got a network output for network and control. It's got some built-in handles here, which are really nice. You can get the optional rack kit for this, so that's pretty cool. This is rack mountable. It's sturdy, man. This is a nice stage box here. So this is the CQ-20B from Allen and Heath, in stock at EMI Audio for rental and sale.